Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook crab legs. Crab legs are a delicious seafood treat, and the good news is they're usually pre-cooked, so you're just reheating them. The key is to warm them through without overcooking, which can make the meat rubbery. We'll cover several popular methods, including steaming, boiling, baking, and grilling, ensuring you get perfectly tender, flavorful crab every time. Remember to thaw frozen legs in the fridge overnight for the best outcome. Steaming is arguably the best method for keeping crab legs moist and tender. Simply add about 1 inch of water to a large pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Place your crab legs in a steamer basket or colander, making sure they are elevated above the water. Cover the pot tightly and steam for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're perfectly done when they're wonderfully fragrant and thoroughly heated. Boiling is another quick and easy way to reheat crab legs, especially if you're cooking a larger batch. Fill a large pot with water, adding about 1 tablespoon of salt for every quart of water to enhance the flavor. Bring this to a vigorous boil, then carefully add your crab legs. Let them boil for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are thoroughly heated. Use tongs to remove them and drain well before serving. If you prefer a smoky flavor, try grilling. Brush the legs with melted butter and grill over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Alternatively, for baking, place them on a baking sheet with about 1/4 inch of water, cover with foil, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve your perfectly cooked crab legs immediately with melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and perhaps a sprinkle of your favorite seafood seasoning. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.